go through assignment discussion. As you know, my name is June Sata. Please, if you have any question, drop me email anjum@ukversity.co.uk. Discuss about our assignment discussion. So please, can you just spend 2 minutes, just go through the assignment brief and download from our Moodle page, and then we'll start our lesson. Let's will start a lesson. Our lesson is about assignment discussion. During previous lesson, we learn about we cover 5 learning outcome, and today lesson will be about assignment discussion. Okay, as you know me, my name is Anjum Sata. Please, if you have any question, drop me email. And this is of course, is a level 7 qualification. So please, make sure follow the criteria assessment and level 4 level. So we need to be make sure, and then we been given the assignment read. This unit aims what the learner to reality of developing and managing the project. And we had it during lesson 1. We learn about understand the concept of the project management. We discuss, where we went through PERT, program evaluation review technique. We discuss about project design, system plan, initiated and managing a leading project. Lesson 3, we learn about be able to evaluate the effectiveness of the communication within the project. And lesson 4, we learn about the be able to design and monitoring conflicting mechanism of the project. And lesson 5, we learn about understand how to close uh, and review the completion of the project. Okay, we've been given the scenario. You've been employed as a manager in the call center based in London. So make sure you read the scenario. You have to manage 10 people, and 6 of them will be administrative and 1 will be the managing director. And now the office will be relocated in the same area in the Salford and the Manchester in order to reduce the cost. You've been given this, an announcement has been confirmed. The core target associated the control system, remote training, continuous profiting. That's which we have the scenario. As a trust and the valuable implies you be the managing director ask you academic knowledge about the professional skill to carry out the project. So in this one, please, in task 1, if you look, we've been given assessment criteria 1.1, 1.3, which is based on the lesson 1 examine the role of the management in the evaluating the project business objective. So you can explain what is meant by objective, project management role in the achieving the project, explain the application of the key concept of the principle of the project management in different business environments. So you can add the example as you can relate relocating the project, and we can make the network diagram. We can look at program evaluation of different. So we can appraise, the objective of the project by using even investment appraisal methods as well, the cost and benefit analysis, what will be. And then we have DEF. NGHI. These are all the assessment criteria. Examine the key leadership and management, develop the role of the project manager, developing the project management. We can look around the feasibility of the project. We can look around the high level of the project time and resource and the cost benefit. So that's based on our lesson two, so assessment criteria or 2.1, 2.2, as we devise the lesson. Then lesson three, we learn about explain the content of the project management communication plan. We can look around the stakeholders, what is meant by and why stakeholders is important there. And we look at the communication, the lifespan of the project. That's our lesson three. And then if we look at the task two is more about you have to prepare the presentation and with the speaker note, you can use the Prezi presentation. There is the software called Prezi, please, which we can use. Prezi, Prezi meetings, and that can be used to evaluate the project. Okay, that's quite crucial, which we can look around, and that's the which we can manage the project. Okay, so that's which we can look around in the crazy and the project, and then that's which is based on the lesson four and implement completion and chosen project. We can look around and develop the contingency plan, explain the different stages of the project. We have discussed about growth, maturity, and decline stage. We had a discussion which we can, so we can. And we can look around, important of the project and assess, the important of the project and create the crazy meeting, which is mean PowerPoint slide really. You can create in the software, which is called crazy.com, which you can, and you can include the speaker note there. Okay, guys. Now let's, we'll go through how you can do it. For the sake of you can see all, and we prepare here sample planning and control of the project. Yes, so this is the sample assignment, please. It's quite good. That will help you. So please, you make sure you can open the slide there, cover page. Then you have discuss about the role of project and divide, 1.1, 1.2. Yes. So all you have, so if you look here, we had a discussion about the role of the project management. Then we have the key concept. Yes, objective of the project, secondary objective, key leadership and management theories can be contextualized and linked to achieve in the project objective. That was the call center, and you have the relocation of the project, which can be linked to Salford and the system of expert, which we can, and the clerk, and we can show the project members, teams, sources of finance where the money will come from, feasibility study, the technical economics, that's which we can link to, and that's the project communication plan, benefit of communications, and thus you have L, which is LO1, LO2, LO3. That's based on. Thus you can look around this sample assignment that will help you to prepare your own assignment. And assignment guidance document here, please. We can look around the command verb. Yes, what we're supposed to do as. So one, and then lesson 1, 2, 3. Refer the slide handouts you've been given the links for, and then we have a presentation task 2, and I included the link for you. It's called Crazy Meetings, and that's which we need to be which we need to be prepared these thus we need to look around. Huh? And if you have a question, feel free and please drop us email and we can look around and make sure please add the presentation slide as well. Huh? So you will see the here is the one other samples. Yes, you acknowledge, you look the project. Yes, you can include the appendixes you've been given. Yes, so that's all you have. Yes, the approaches, you have figures and the presentation initial document which you can, even if you can prepare it in Prezi, you can include in if any data, any document which you can, the Prezi meetings that's, can be included and you can. So other than that, please, you've been given all the books here. Make sure you can follow all the books, please. And you will see the project management book you have, project management strategies. And that's, you can look around these all extra resources, everything there. Please, if you have still doubt how to do things, please make sure drop me email and we can discuss it one to one. And that's, and the final, so you will see here a lot of, about, yeah. So how the project management system, so you can look around different approaches, like, in the task one, you can, in task three, you're more about uh, your presentations, huh? So which is based on LO4, LO5. So that's quite good to go through, and you can pick, some stuff and contextualize according to the scenario which we have. Thanks for attending to this session, and we'll speak in next the unit when we'll start. And have a lovely weekend. And hope I'll speak you all. So you've been given sample. Make sure you have a reference. Give me 1 minute. I can show you before we really finish. Because so I'll send you all, and please, this is a template. Make sure you can include template, task one, introduction, definition about project management, role of project management, 1 point program evaluation review techniques, 2.1 definition about leadership management theories, project manager's role, a team building, feasibility study, estimated cost in life, which you can, communication plan, and task with the presentation with the speaker notes. That's the way you can structure and make sure go through. So that's the way, guys, make sure you can structure yours and include all. So you will see all the relevant resource which are we have uploaded, and the template will be available on the Moodle as well. Thanks for attending. Have a lovely weekend and speak in next delivery of next unit. Thank you. Bye bye.